everyone. My name is Israj. My father name is Kishore Singh. My village is a Junapa. I study into the MV Rana Vinay Mandir school. My topic is a mother. In the whole world, I like my mother very much, and you are all likes mother very much. My mother loves me, and you are all mothers loves you. Astu Jai Mataji.
Jai Mataji. My name is Gohil Theriraj Ghanshyam Singh. My village name is Timba. I study in standard 9th. My school name is MV Rana Vinay Mandir. My topic name is summer vacation. Summer holidays are good time for children. Summer holidays in children play outdoor cricket like cricket and football. Jai Mataji. Astu.
My name is Jadeja Abhijit Ganpatji. I am studying in 9th standard. My school name is Sri M.V. Rana Vinay Mandir. Today I am talk about my dream. My dream is become an advocate and help to poor people, and I became an advocate and earn money for my dearest mother and fight for truth. Astu Jai Mata.
My name is Ramraj Virendra. I am studying standard 9th. My school name is Sri M.V. Rana Vinay Mandir. My topic name is the environment. Today is environment normal. After year, environment is dirty. We save environment for future and now. Astu Jai Mataji. Jai Mataji. My name is Gohil Jiveraj Mahendra. I am studying 9th standard. My school name is Sri M.V. Rana Vinay Mandir. My topic name is Wonder of Science. Science is discipline and allow us to know more about. Science is allowing and weeping for centuries. Science makes our lives and us to the matter.
Jai Mataji. My name is Gohil Jaldeep Charechi. I study in 9th. My school name is Sri M.V. Rana Vinay Mandir. My topic name, my hostel. My hostel is a beautiful hostel. My hostel rooms in the 32 rooms. My hostel name is Sri Manohar Kurba Rajput Vidyalay. My hostel Grupati name is Gohil Viranasi Astu.
My name is Gohil Mitrachi Parakanji. I am studying MV Rana Vinay Mandir. Standard 9. I topic Diwali. Diwali is the most biggest festival and celebration of India. On this day, Lord Ram came back to Ayodhya. Actually, on this day, people new clothes and celebrate on Diwali. Where is Ma Lakshmi, worship Ma Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh. Astu.
Jai Mataji. My name is Gohil Abhijit. My father name is Yograj. I am studying MV Rana Vinay Mandir. My topic Republic Day. The new constitution of Fire Indian was adopted on the 26th January 1950. Thus, Indian become a Republic Day on that day. So we celebrate your Republic Day. Astu.
Hello everyone, my name is Koil Arshdeep Arvinchi. I am study to 9th. My school name is M.V. Rana Vinay Mandir. My topic is my favorite game. My favorite game is cricket. Cricket is outdoor game. It gives healthy and exercise to the body. My favorite player name is Bumrah. Bumrah. The game is cricket makes a player watchful, quick and alert. Astu Jai Mataji.
Hello everyone, my name is Goil Devraj Pagirachi. My study is 9th standard. My school name is Sri M. Rana Vinay Mandir. My topic is my village. My village name is Tansa. The village population of 5,000. The people in Tansa farmer. They in live small but clean houses. The people of the village are friendly, kind and helpful. The farmers use tractor to pluck their friends.